excited to be in Holyoke today visiting the ESG Clean Energy site. We're very excited about the system. I have to say out of the gate that neither Viking nor Camber have an interest in this site. We're here along with Representative Simpson Maxwell to visit with Dick Scuderi and Sal Scuderi, executives of ESG, and we're just here to assess the status of the assembly of their system, their clean energy system. This is their first site, and it's got 3 phases of construction. Is the power generation, the commodity production, and the carbon capture. So right now they're just in the process of assembling the first phase, the power generation component, and they'll move on to the commodity production. And from this site, it'll be distilled water, just given local demand and proximity to prospective customers. But their system can produce other commodities other than distilled water. And then the final component will be the carbon capture. So it's extremely impressive. They've done a lot of work. We're pleased to have the exclusive license arrangement for this system in Canada and up to 25 locations in the United States. And Nick, it's been an absolute pleasure.
It's great having you, Jim.
Meet with you today. And Sal, more brains behind the operation. And Sal, I'm sure the most common question that you get is in terms of carbon capture, which is obviously an important topic around the world right now. Mm-hmm. What differentiates the ESG clean energy system from the competitors?
Well, you're right. That is one of the most common questions that we do get, and that's a great question. Well, first of all, when we designed our system, we wanted to design a system that could capture 100% of the CO2. So what we did is we looked at the field, and the current technology is based on liquid chemical absorbers. They're called amides. And the problem with those that we discovered is 2 major things. Is they first cost a lot in terms of capital equipment to put the systems together. But then secondly, and maybe even the biggest problem, is they consume a lot of energy to try and regenerate the amides. So when we analyzed our system, we determined that the best approach for us, and that would differentiate us from the field, is to first treat the exhaust coming out of the system, remove the moisture. When we remove the moisture so that now we have a dry exhaust, we're able to use what's known as solid absorbers. Solid absorbers are much less expensive to construct, and they are much lower in the energy required to regenerate. So we have those 2 big advantages. We're lower cost, much lower energy use, and that's the differentiation.
Yeah, that's great. Well, congratulations on your success to date, and we're fortunate and proud to be part of the team.
Great, thank you very much.
Thanks, Jim. Thanks. Thank you.